Wondering if you need to add a preservative to your formula? It's a crucial question because you need to protect your consumers and your brand. Today I will break down the 3 key signs that your formula need a preservative. Let's make sure that your product is safe, effective, and ready for the market. Why does preservative matter? Well, if your product contains just an ounce of water, whether it's in the form of water itself or hydrosols, aloe vera juices, flower water, if there is any drop of that in your formulation, microorganisms such as bacteria, mold, or yeast can thrive in your product. Water being essential for microbial life, any water-based cosmetic is at risk of contamination without a preservative. What may also not be considered when thinking about adding a preservative to a formulation is that every time a consumer opens a jar, squeeze a tube, or dip their fingers in the product, new bacteria or fungi can be introduced in the product. But also exposition to air, just air, and repeated contact can accelerate the contamination, especially if your product is supposed to be used over weeks or months. And just to talk facts, even if a product looks or smells fine, invisible microbes can multiply and cause health risks. Regulatory guidelines really stress the importance of protecting a product through its entire shelf life, especially after opening, by using appropriate preservatives. And finally, the third sign, nothing about air or water, but natural ingredients. If you use natural ingredients such as botanical extracts, fruit juices, or just proteins or sugars, those are perfect meals for microbes. Add some water to these microbial nutrients, make your formulation even more attractive to microorganisms. Regulatory authorities and industry experts note that products with natural ingredients are more likely to spoil without preservatives, even if they are organic or natural. Because remember that natural doesn't mean that preservative-free is safe. Of course, when we talk about preservative, we talk a lot about molds, bacteria, fungi, and so on. But preservatives do not just guarantee safety regarding that, but it also guarantees the quality by maintaining the color, the texture, the scent of the product. And of course, it will help you avoid being targeted by the EU or FDA authorities. Did you know that there are at least 3 different preservative systems? Because knowing if you need a preservative is just step 1. Find more information about 4 different preservative systems detailed in this video.